this little guy right here. So there's stuff in here, so I can't wait to cut it up. So let's go.
I can't wait either.
Ugh, I can't wait. Oh,
what if you cut the thing up that's in there?
I don't know what's in here. Oh my God, it's cut it up. See it? Oh, so it's almost getting cut up.
Can you just cut it?
Okay. So I'm so happy. Oh, it's cutting up, guys. Oh, as you can see, there's like a ring or something in here. Let's see.
Ring, wait, get the Play-Doh out.
Let me do it. There's like a little Cinderella ring. You can see the Play-Doh. I wanted to do that one. Say hi, Christina. Hi. And here's our little. Whoa. Wait, we gotta see if there's something else. Well, I can't do this one, baby, because it's too sticky. Yeah, wait. Put it back.
You can do it if you want. You have to.
So, you may cut this part. So.
I can cut it?
Yeah.
Real?
Yeah.
And I
Get over here. Make the audience see it. It's okay. I got she's cutting it up. We'll show you what comes out. Well, there's still more Play-Doh. Yeah, still.
Oh my God.
A necklace.
If
you guys can see, it's like golden, silver necklace. There's Play-Doh on it. Yeah, we gotta take it off. Yeah, get off.
I want to open the next one so bad.
You can't open it. You can shake it and make a wish. So we're not on the birthday. So Annalise cut it out this beautiful necklace. So now Annalise is going to shake the. So all you guys need is to make this. You're going to need a hand sanitizer bottle. Have a little hand sanitizer in here. And then you're going to add some glitter, green, pink, whatever you prefer. And then you shake it up and then you make a wish. Cute.
Okay, so let me do this.
Yeah, so try making a wish. But you can't tell nobody your wish, okay?
Alright, guys, so I made my wish. Christina, you want to make your wish?
Yeah, she made her wish.
Christina's turn.
Oh, yeah, Christina's turn.
You're so lucky you get to open that.
So, look, guys. We have
Can I open it?
Yeah.
Can I open it?
Wait, hold on. We have like a beach ball and some water.
My little sister doesn't want to open it.
So there's bracelets and stuff. So show them what we got.
So we got this necklace and a ring.
And we got this and that. Really?
And then we're about to open this. So let's do this.
Yeah, don't open it that way. So.
Alright, so let's open this.
Don't open it like that. Open it like this. Wait, let me see it.
That's so cute. Wait, let me see what this is.
No, wait, leave it in there. It's like a ball. I like that. It's wet. It is wet. It's slippery. See, it's like
I have an idea.
What?
We should make an experiment with all these.
No.
You guys don't make a mess in this room, okay? Okay.
So,
It's amazing.
this is so squishy. Now, we got put it back in the plastic bag. Where's the plastic bag anyway?
I have no clue.
Put it in there, girl. Where's it at? It's in there. What you call it? Don't open it. Thank you, guys. Describe which one is the best. This one? Yeah. This one.
Wait, we need to shake that up a little bit.
And this one. Or this beautiful, gorgeous.
Or this!
Or ring. I don't fit on me. So, thank you guys. Pick which one would you like. Bye.